Hello, my name is Matt Dietz, and I am one of your classmates in ACTE 655. This is an introduction of myself and Module 1. I currently teach at Midwest High School, which is about an hour north of Harrisburg in Middleburg, Pennsylvania. I teach technology education, a variety of design courses, and some manufacturing and STEM-specific course as well, green solutions, media and technology, a variety of courses. I've been teaching for 25 years and grades 7 through 12. My interest in STEM comes from a couple areas. One is the real world problems that it can solve, or is necessary to have all those elements to solve real world problems. I enjoy the collaboration where students bring their individual experiences and skills and even levels of learning together to solve those problems. Since I teach the main design courses, it is a natural fit into the integration of design. And I enjoy the change. What I'm teaching now isn't what I taught 25 years ago. I don't have the same tools that I had then. Even 10 years ago. So I enjoy the constant change. My personal time is spent with my family. By and large, I have a senior son graduating in a couple weeks, a sophomore daughter. We enjoy traveling and play a variety of sports. So that keeps us pretty busy. As I was forming my operational definition of STEM, I actually did it prior to reading through the materials, but found it is very similar to what Vasquez shares in his STEM lesson essentials. I came up with STEM as an approach to combine the individual studies of science, technology, engineering, and math into an integrative study of their relationships that is then used to solve problems. Here's an example of a lesson that I use, a group lesson where we create an animal live trap, and not just the neighborhood bunny or skunk, but we try to do different things like a penguin or a giraffe, something that challenges the students to come up with, to seek out information about that animal specifically, to come up with how can you do it without injuring the animal and what technologies already exist. Probably the weakest piece is the mathematics part, but we do sometimes come up with some of my larger projects will come up with a budget, so that would fit in nicely here as well. And those are the primary pieces that I hit as far as recognizing my STEM practices. Why do I believe STEM is important, and what was garnered from the materials shared at the beginning of the class? First of all, it's necessary for the economy and society. This was echoed both by the National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine, as well as Neil deGrasse Tyson. Vasquez then goes on to discuss about a holistic approach, which illustrates the interconnectedness of the STEM disciplines. He also shares about the relevant learning, making sure that it is relevant to the student. And finally, problem solving and collaboration was something that Vasquez shared under the 21st century skills that are necessary for our students and our society to be successful. And I'll wrap it right back around to innovation and invention shared by Neil deGrasse Tyson, which equals new economies. And again, just that the economy was a piece that I really haven't heard pushed as much as I did in those two examples, and that's what is relevant. I'd like to share a video link. I'll do it in my post. It's called Did You Know, a 2018 remix. I think it fits in well with what we're talking about here at the beginning, and I hope you take the time to watch it. Thank you.